Have you noticed something strange? The stock market keeps hitting record highs, yet millions of Americans still feel financially stuck. If the economy is supposedly doing great, why does it feel so difficult to get ahead? The answer lies in a hidden divide that's growing larger every year. While headlines celebrate booming markets, many households are dealing with rising costs for housing, groceries, healthcare, and insurance. For millions of families, wages simply haven't kept pace with the cost of living. At the same time, artificial intelligence has become Wall Street's favorite investment story. Companies connected to AI have attracted billions of dollars, pushing major indexes like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to new highs. A small group of technology giants now accounts for an unusually large share of the market's gains. This creates a powerful illusion. When investors look at the stock market, everything appears strong. But if you look at consumer debt, credit card balances, and household budgets, a very different picture begins to emerge. The biggest question investors are asking is whether AI can generate enough profits to justify these massive valuations. If companies deliver on expectations, today's prices may make sense. But if growth slows even slightly, markets could face a sharp correction. History has shown that periods of extreme optimism often lead to higher volatility. During the dot com boom, investors believed technology stocks could only go higher. When expectations became unrealistic, the market eventually reset. Today's AI revolution is much more real than the internet bubble of the early 2000s. Businesses across industries are already using AI to improve productivity and reduce costs. But even great technologies can become overpriced if investors expect perfection. That's why many professional investors are diversifying instead of putting all their money into a handful of AI stocks. They understand that long term investing isn't about chasing headlines, it's about managing risk while taking advantage of opportunity. The next few quarters could determine whether AI continues to power the market or whether investors begin rotating into other sectors. Either way, the gap between Wall Street and Main Street is becoming one of the biggest financial stories of the decade. The question isn't whether AI will change the future, it already is. The real question is whether today's stock prices have gotten ahead of reality and whether investors are prepared for what comes next.